This time we're going to do the 21st Amendment Brewery. It's a Hell or High Watermelon.
San Leandro?
San Leandro, California, so I'm thinking Northern California.
Yeah.
It's a watermelon beer, which will be interesting. It's a 4.9% alcohol by volume.
Yeah, wheat beer with watermelon.
Yeah, it's got 17 IBUs in it. Let's pour it out. I was expecting a pink color, but
Yeah.
this is more of like a...
Just regular wheat beer look.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if we mentioned it was a wheat beer.
Yeah,
Nice.
I think you did say
Nice
it was
head.
wheat.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Huh. No, not really.
There's a
A little more out of
slight
the cup a
hint
little
of
bit.
it. Yeah.
21st Amendment Brewery. I have not heard of these guys.
Me neither. Ever.
So it's the opposite of kind of some other flavored beers where it tastes like beer at the very beginning
Yeah.
and then finishes watermelon.
Yep.
And finishes like a real light watermelon.
Yeah, and it's not a very strong watermelon
No.
flavor either. So
No, I don't really even like watermelon, and I'm actually a little bit surprised by it, like pleasantly. It's not my favorite thing ever.
no.
It's interesting.
Yeah, way different in look and flavor. Even smell.
Yeah, than I thought it would be. for
Oh
sure.
yeah, absolutely.
Nice and dry.
Absolutely.
I mean, good wheat beer flavor.
Mm-hmm.
All right, it's you know.
Yeah.
I just don't like watermelon, so that flavor, I'm a little adverse to it, but it's very subtle.
Yeah,
And
it's
it
not
finishes with it, it's not out of control at all.
Yeah.
Not one bit. This would be really good with lots of summery foods like, apricot chicken and like salads with fruit and grilled shrimp and grilled chicken and stuff in there. Maybe a couple of spicier things in the salad, but
right.
this would be good with summer stuff like that.
Right. This would also complement other berries
I
like
think it says
strawberries.
something about it's a seasonal release.
Yeah.
Which it fits.
Berries and strawberries, grapes would go good with this too. Just kind of snack type of
yeah.
situation.
Yeah.
Salads, any salad really
Yeah.
go good with this.
I can
Light
see this.
meat.
I can see this going with some of the cheeses too. We talk about.
yeah.
Where
Oh,
this
yeah.
would be good with cheese and nuts and breads and things as well.
Nuts for sure.
I see it more with
feel-
like real light grilled foods like chicken and shrimp.
Well, yeah, chicken,
and some
shrimp,
vegetables,
white
and
fish.
things, you
Yeah.
know. Could do like seafood skewers or something like that. Chicken skewers,
This would go fucking great with like a
Asparagus,
BLT or something.
artichoke hearts, things like
Oh yeah,
that.
absolutely. Like a BLT sandwich or something.
Yeah, it'd be good with
Like-
tomato stuff for sure.
Oh, yeah.
Or like just
Bacon.
a nice chopped salad or something.
Oh, yeah.
Like a good house chop with a couple different salamis in there and maybe some really good dark cured ham and smoked turkey and just a super light vinaigrette with like maybe some of this in there, to offset it. And I guess you could probably just drink this with watermelon too.
Well, yeah, why not? I mean, won't hurt.
Yeah.
Well, even the other melons like cantaloupe and stuff,
Mm-hmm.
just be great. This finish is so dry, it would absolutely complement any sort of melon.
Melons,
so,
yeah, because the melons are a little sweeter and richer and
Right.
Yeah,
moist. You
yeah,
know,
absolutely.
Yeah, it'd be great. Yeah, even with like oranges and shit,
Uh-huh.
this would definitely be.
Yeah. I wonder. Well, like I was saying before with the apricot chicken and stuff, like fruit glazed things would be really
Oh,
good
yeah.
with this too. This would pair it up. This would work probably with some things that were real, like peppery, like black peppery.
Yeah.
I don't know how well it would do against some spice, but it would do
Bacon
okay
would
with.
go great.
It would do. Yeah,
Pepper
it would-
bacon?
like some smoky and sweet stuff would be really good, and just like fruit and seafood.
Mm-hmm. I mean, this would actually be a beer where, because there's some out there where you can throw some citrus in there, like squeeze a
I
lemon.
know, I
or
was kind of
squeeze a
thinking that
fucking
would be
orange
interesting
in there.
with some
Yeah,
lemon in it,
just
yeah.
to kind of get it that.
Well, I do
spike.
think beers like this have a place in the market. I mean, number one, this would be good to cook with. We've already established that. But I think also, you know, like this is a good beer for people who they just don't necessarily like a lot of beer.
Oh,
They're
yeah.
never going to drink an IPA. You know, even pale ales are a little strong. They're more of like a Widmer, Hefeweizen kind of person, you know, or just
Right.
like a nicely done lager or something like that. You know, where they could have some things like this or that mango one or some of the
Yeah.
fruit beers or lambics where there's a little extra flavor in there. You could still tell it's a beer. And it's still brewed and it still has some sort of hop character to it, but just kind of a nice kind of cross-sectional beer, you know, where you can open it up to a whole new market of people. And then if you're serving this with food, that's like
Oh yeah.
endless possibilities for people, you know, who may not be out drinking a beer.
Yeah.
So, I don't know.
Yeah. Pretty good for what it is.
The more I drink, the less watermelon-y it
Right,
is, though.
yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Like, it's definitely becomes a little more subdued a few drinks in.
Yeah.